welcome. And today we're going to finalize with using qualify in future tense. Using qualify in future tense. Okay, let's proceed. So qualify changes in the following ways with the following pronouns. Remember, we looked at pronouns. So qualify when using I. Remember, we said in future tense we use will, a root word will, inja in Luganda. Okay, so let's proceed. For I, qualify remains qualify. For instance, I will qualify. I will qualify. Inze inja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Inze inja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Okay, for you in future tense we say you will qualify. You will qualify. And this in Luganda is gwe ojja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Gwe ojja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Gwe ojja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Okay, for he or she will qualify. He or she will qualify. Ye ajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Ye ajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Okay, for they we say they will qualify. They will qualify. Bo bajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Bo bajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Okay, hope you can note that in future tense when using will, qualify remains qualify. Okay, let's have some examples such that you further understand what I'm talking about. Number 1, I will qualify next time. I will qualify next time. And hope you can note I in Luganda we said is inze, will, inja, qualify remains qualify. So I will qualify next time. So in future tense, qualify remains like qualify. Okay, so I will qualify next time in Luganda is inze inja kuba n'ebisaanyizo omulundi oguddako. Inze inja kuba n'ebisaanyizo omulundi oguddako. I will qualify next time is inze inja kuba n'ebisaanyizo omulundi oguddako. Example 2, I will qualify for the job. I will qualify for the job. In Luganda is inze inja kuba n'ebisaanyizo by'omulimu. Inze inja kuba n'ebisaanyizo by'omulimu. She will not qualify to play. She will not qualify to play. A point to note here, not is used implying that it's a negative sentence. She will not qualify to play. Ye tajja kuba na bisaanyizo by'okuzannya. So ye tajja kuba na bisaanyizo by'okuzannya. Here you can note we've used tajja because of not. She will not qualify to play. Ye tajja kuba na bisaanyizo by'okuzannya. He will qualify for the test. He will qualify for the test. Ye ajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo Byekigezo. Ye ajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Byekigezo. Ye ajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo. Byekigezo. The next example. They will qualify next year. They will qualify next year. They will qualify next year. And that in Luganda is bo because of they. Bo bajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo omwaka ogujja. Next year is omwaka ogujja. Bo bajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo omwaka ogujja. Once again, they will qualify next year is bo bajja kuba n'ebisaanyizo omwaka ogujja. Okay, let's proceed. You will qualify. Trust God. You will qualify. Trust God. You will qualify. Trust God. In Luganda, it is gwe ojja kuba n'ebisaanyizo weesige Mukama. Gwe ojja kuba n'ebisaanyizo weesige Mukama. Once again, gwe ojja kuba n'ebisaanyizo weesige Mukama. Okay, that is it in this video. Let's have a recap of what we've learned. So in future tense, qualify remains as qualify, and will is used after the subject. So I will qualify. You will qualify. He will qualify. They will qualify. Okay, that is it in this video. Hope you've learned something. Bye bye. Wait up.